from Lexi? Wanna take out the paper?
Jared has to drop off. I left his bag at my shop, so
that's okay.
Here, Kyan, you wanna look?
Sure.
You wanna look?
Kyan, come open your gift, buddy.
He didn't open any of his other ones. Look at. Wow! She got you some clothes.
I got all summer stuff.
We love. George, you need George. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, king of the playground. Look at the lion. This is cute. Kyan, look. Oh, my favorite color is dirt.
Dirt.
Awesome. He did. Maybe they'll be different sizes. That is cute. Look at this one that Lexi gave. It says King of the Playground.
Let me see.
The stickers over it.
Wait.
I dropped it. Kyan! What happened to the red guitar?
Grandma and Grandpa gave you that guitar.
Let's see if